The Pineyro Arch Kit painlessly retracts the gingiva. All prosthetics and the denture are debrided with no anesthetic or hybrid removal at all. The instruments are flat instead of sharp to clean under the gaps and cantilevers with no patient discomfort or excessive force. Here the Pineyro instrument adapts to a multi-unit prosthetic, efficiently removing ledges of calculus from all components. When poor home care is evident, the prosthesis must be removed for recalls. In this case, the Pineyro Arch 4 works beautifully around multi-unit abutments. To place your order or find out more, visit pdtdental.com/Pineyro or contact your authorized distributor.